came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
Well, first day here in Alaska. Unfortunately, weather in Alaska is unpredictable and you can almost guarantee every day it's going to rain. This morning we woke up, it was rain with a lot of fog, and where we wanted to go, it's very windy, so we're just waiting a couple hours. Hopefully it clears up and we'll get going this afternoon, but we're under weather delay right now. So you thinking we should head up right where we saw those birds first versus nicking around over here?
I would probably work I think that's a little cul-de-sac up there.
Yep.
I would probably just kind of start working up in there. The wind's going to favor the dogs. It's got some of this coming in it.
Generally, when you hunt the ptarmigan, they're at 3 different elevations. The willows tend to hang out down low, as their name would suggest, down in the willows. So a lot of the times you can catch willows in the little thick patches around the lake. I call rock ptarmigan hang out right at that area to where it's really light grass and the rocks start to form. Now whitetail ptarmigan are up even higher. I'd call that more in a sheep elevation type thing where there's very little vegetation and mostly rocks. Earl, shoot her. Tiny, here. Shoot her, here. Well, we just gained about 1,000 feet elevation, and they always say if you get up with something that looks like the moon, you probably hit where the rock ptarmigan are at, and we're getting pretty darn close right now. There's this big bowl. We're just gonna take it and go around the side of it like this. We got Dad kind of positioned, so he's in the middle of the bowl, and he'll just kind of rotate as I walk around.
Flush one to the right.
Here. That group we put off right up here, it kind of glided and we lost it. I mean, it's in here somewhere. Oh, really? It's here. Dad, coming your way! Oh, they're landing again, Grant. Get ready! Good boy, shooter. Gorgeous willow ptarmigan. Well, we started to hit these willows low, came out with 3 willow ptarmigan, and there were a bunch more that went up on this hillside. We've got Dad kind of posted on the side here, and there are willows that take this whole hillside up, so we're gonna throw these in the pack. We're gonna get the dogs to work up slowly on all these willows. They seem to get up on the rocks, and they are holding really tight for the dogs, which is awesome. Holy smokes, we got into them. We hit this flock and we just keep bouncing singles now. Shoot her, shoot her. Whoa. How you doing? Good. Weather turned out to be pretty awesome today, and we got into a bunch of willows down low, and Dad was able to get a rock ptarmigan. So tomorrow's weather is supposed to be really good again, but we'll focus up a little bit higher where the rock ptarmigan are, and maybe even a little bit higher than that where the whitetail ptarmigan are. But whew, once you got into the willows, they were all over the place. Shooter. 23.3 miles today. It's a long day.
Calling out to move.